What's up you guys? It's Greg here again, and in this video, share ko sa inyo yung mga skincare tips na natutunan ko personally na nakatulong sa akin to achieve a more clearer skin, less acne, less blemished skin, far from perfect but a lot better than before. If your concern is about large pores, oily skin, acne problems, dark spots, I have here 10 ultimate skincare tips na pwede nyong gawin today. Number 1 is to know your skin type. This will save you time and money just by knowing this number 1 tip. One reason kung bakit yung binili mong product is not working for you or worsen your acne is because that product is not suitable for your skin type. I have a dedicated video about how to know your skin type. Somewhere in here, check nyo na lang after this video. Second tip is to use the correct products according to your skin type. So in relation to tip number 1, once na malaman mo yung skin type mo, of course, yun na yung mga gagamitin mong products. Kasi for example, you're an oily skin, dapat sa'yo yung mga light ingredients lang, light products lang. If your skin type is dry, mas heavier yung consistency ng mga products na gagamitin mo, like cleansers or moisturizers, so that it will work better on your skin. So kung oily skin ka, ginamit mo yung mga products for dry skin types, hindi siya magiging effective sa'yo, baka mag-worsen pa yung skin problems mo. Third tip is to stop using bar soaps. Maraming beses ko na itong sinasabi ever since I started this channel that you need to stop using bar soaps like Safeguard, Bioderm, or Green Cross. Basta anything na ginagamit sa pambuong katawan, you should not use that on your face. Because bar soaps can make your skin really dry. It takes away all the natural oils ng skin, thus destroying your skin barrier. Once your skin barrier is damaged, mas susceptible ka na sa mga pimple or acne and your face will age faster. Fourth tip is to use a sunscreen. This may not be a common practice for most men, pero using a sunscreen is as important as washing your face. Lalo na we are living in a hot country, the UVA and the UVB rays will add to the chances of us getting darker pigmentation after pimple or acne. It dehydrates the skin so you look haggard. So as part of taking care of our skin, sobrang importanteng gumamit ka ng sunscreen. If you're oily skin like me, I recommend using Biore Watery Essence, Baleno, or Noah Sunscreen Air. Fifth tip is to wash your face twice a day. As simple as it sounds, pero marami pa rin hindi nakaka-appreciate ng tip na to. Pagising mo sa umaga, you need to wash your face because yung papansin mo minsan oily yung skin mo pagising. So you need to take away all those excess oils para hindi mag-clog yung pores mo, para mag-tighten siya. Sa gabi naman, sobrang importanteng hindi ka mag-skip ng paghihilamos using your facial cleanser because it will remove the dirt and the excess oils na na-accumulate ng mukha mo for the entire day. Imagine lahat ng excess oils tsaka dumi na naipon ng mukha mo, dumikit sa mukha mo, isasama mo sa pagtulog mo. Yan ang isa sa mga reason kung bakit you get clogged pores kasi nagpe-penetrate na sa pores mo yung mga dirt and dead skin cells kaya lumalaking tingnan yung pores mo. Sixth tip is do not DIY. Yung mga nagsasabi na gumamit daw ng lemon sa mukha or apple cider vinegar at kung ano-ano pang mga DIY skincare, I would think twice of doing that. Marami naman mga murang skincare products dyan kesa mag-DIY ka at magsisi ka sa huli. Next tip is do not over-scrub. Whether you're using a facial scrub or a physical exfoliator, do not overdo it, as it may cause micro tears in your skin kaya nagkakaroon ng irritation. Use chemical exfoliator instead like Cosrx BHA or the ordinary glycolic acid. Next is exfoliate your skin once to twice a week. In relation to tip number 7 about exfoliation, twice a week lang tayo recommended ng mga dermatologists to do exfoliation. Because too much exfoliation can lead to inflammation, yung mga red patches, or it may destroy your natural skin barrier. Kaya yung mga maxi peel dati or sometimes yung mga nagre-rejuve, after mo gumamit, either nagbo-burn yung skin mo or mas lumalala yung mga pimple mo. Kaya do not overdo it. Twice a week is enough. Number 9 is to use a serum. Any serums that has vitamins or other chemicals in it, it will help level up your skincare game. Like vitamin C serum, niacinamide, azelaic acid, hyaluronic acid. This will help you to specifically address any skin issue na meron ka. For example, if your skin issue is dark spots or post-acne marks, vitamin C can help you. If you have dry patches on your skin, hyaluronic acid can help you. Yung mga ganong klase ng skin issue, mas maganda na serum ang gamitin mo dyan. Next tip, and it's definitely an underrated tip, and that is to wash your hands before ka maghilamos. Imagine, ang dami mong nahahawakan na bagay sa loob ng isang araw. Ang daming duming kakapit sa palad mo. Tapos, ito yung gagamitin mong panghilamos sa mukha mo. So, just wash your hands first bago ka maghilamos. Simpleng tip pero it will make a big difference. With that, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace!